Hello, and thanks for taking the time to learn a little bit more about my project. What is PSD? During a potential traumatizing event, our brains take a snapshot of that situation and remember the circumstances. And when we think about that, our bodies react to this when something happens that kind of creates that flight or fight mode. PTS leads persons to generalize things. They tend to respond not well to threats or even think that noises such as a backfire of a car could cause a thought process of signaling danger to someone. People with PTSD may continue to respond to triggers or reminders of those life threatening events, and their life is in danger even when it is not in their thought process. Well, specifically today, I want to talk about veterans. Post-traumatic stress disorder, also known as PTSD, plagues our military members. Our veterans who have given us service to our country fill VA hospitals seeking help for PTSD. Sadly, though, not all seek the help, and many veterans commit, unfortunately, suicide. PTSD is not an easy disorder. The veterans that suffer share symptoms of being unable to sleep, flashbacks, sudden aspects of uh, uh, acts of violence or anger, and a lot of emotional outbursts from triggers from the PTSD. PTSD is relatively new when you think about it because the fact that it's been studied but only really recognized since around the 1980s, and we still don't know everything that we could know about this order. This disorder really does plague a lot of our military individuals, and they are seeking help currently in our VA system. And ways that we treat individuals through medication, psychotherapy, exposure therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, memory work, healing rituals, you name it, all kinds of different things. But I will share that we don't look at alternative medication. There hasn't been a lot of studies that have gone into individuals with utilizing alternative medication. And that's what I would like to do for my study. I would like to look at taking a group of veterans that are suffering from PTSD and have some use medication and some not, so a placebo effect, and have them utilize alternative medication, so to speak, but not in the sense of medication that you would think of, alternative in the aspect of um, their health plan would implement yoga 3 times a week. They would have guided meditation, journaling, vitamins, essential oils, and exercise versus the medication. And this would then hopes to pull together the individual and the aspect of being able to not be on medication. So my specific aims are the clinical trials aiming to test the effectiveness of an alternative health plan. The clinical trial will help veterans to eliminate the usage of medication, and the trial will broaden the awareness of PTSD. Because again, our veterans give us the ultimate sacrifice, and the goal is to implement and make things better for our veterans as well as others that are suffering from PTSD. Thanks for taking time to learn about my research subject for this class, and I look forward to your feedback. Have a great day.